Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to redeem and use your PayPal gift card to make purchases online. It's a super simple process, so let's dive into it. For that, first of all, you need to log in to your PayPal account. Go ahead and open up any browser in your mobile device or your PC. Or if you have the PayPal application, is even more better. So go ahead and open it up and then log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the wallet section, which is at the top of your screen. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on link a card, and then you will need to enter your gift card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once done, your PayPal gift card will be linked to your account and you can use it for future purchase. You'll see it listed in your payment method. Now to use the PayPal gift card, simply go to checkout at any online store that accepts PayPal. And when prompted to choose a payment method, select PayPal and log into your PayPal account. And just like that, choose your PayPal gift card balance as the payment option, and if there's not enough balance on the gift card, PayPal will allow you to add another payment method like a bank account or credit card. And that's it guys, you have successfully redeemed and used your PayPal gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.